Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite thing in the world, Jamaican fried dumpling. And of course this is going to go with some tin corned beef today, so stay tuned to see the outcome of it all. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and make my dough for my fried dumpling. So in here I have flour. Just follow me along as I add all the ingredients. So next I'm going to add salt in there, and then most importantly baking powder. I'm gonna add that right now, and as you guys can see, I'm just throwing things in because I know in my head the amount of what I need. Basically, Jamaicans never measure things, but we always get it right. And then I'm gonna add some sugar, but I'm gonna give you the measurement in the description box, so go ahead if you want to know the measurement of all the things that I use in the description box. And then I'm gonna add some butter. All right, so before I go ahead and make the dough, I'm just gonna mix this in to incorporate it properly in here. And to make my dough, I'm going to use my fingertip to distribute the butter. And when I'm adding the water, I'm going to use also just my fingertips to bring the dough together. So make it just the way I want it, because I don't want my dough tough. That is why I'm not going to be kneading it. I'm just bringing the dough together with the fingertips. And the aim is to not let any flour reach up here of your hand. Your hand middle should be clean when you finish. So I'm using extra cold water, and I'm going to gradually add this to my batter as I bring it together. I'm going to gradually add it to the flour as I bring it together, because one, you don't want your flour to spoil, so you don't want to put too much in there. Though if it spoiled, there's a way to fix it, but then you'd have to adjust the ingredients. I'm not kneading, I'm just bringing it together. And when you finish, the aim is to know that you have a good dough. When you finish, your pan should be clean. No ingredients should be left in your pan. Your pan should look like it's just coming out the dishwasher, period. And that's how you know you have a perfect dough. Look at my pan, all good. Now what I'm gonna do, I make my dough. I'm gonna make this rest. You can make it rest for an hour, you can make it rest for 30 minutes. So just make your dough rest, and then we're going to go over and prepare the things for the corned beef while this rests. And when you're making your dough rest, just cover it with either a towel or a plate or something. I went ahead and cut up and wash my cabbage. So this is my cabbage here, and the only sweet peppers I have are green, but you can go ahead and add assorted sweet peppers. I don't have any right now as it's quarantine time and your girl is out of other colors, but the green will do for today. And I have onions, and I don't have any hot pepper, which is very essential, so you can go ahead and add your Jamaican hot pepper to that, but I have Jamaican black pepper, so that will do for the substitute. And then I'm gonna add a little ketchup in there and corned beef. So follow me along as I go ahead and show you the method of exactly how we're going to prepare this corned beef and cabbage. The pan is preheated on the stove, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little vegetable oil in there, not too much. And then what I'm gonna add is the onions and the sweet pepper. And if you have your hot pepper, now is the time where you put your hot pepper and your scallion in. So I did went back and find scallion, and I'm gonna add the scallion in. And add my scallion in there, yes. And make this saute really nice. You don't want to do this on high heat. You want to do it on medium heat. That way nothing burns. And then when you add the cabbage, you put it on low heat because you're steaming this cabbage. So you want it on low heat. And I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt, not to make my cabbage too fresh, just a little bit, because your corned beef is already salty, so you don't want to add too much salt in it to me. So I'm gonna cover this and make it steam. This will take about roughly 5 to 10 minutes, anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. You need to check and stir your cabbage, mix your cabbage, make sure that it's not burning. Alright, you guys, cabbage is finished steaming. Now I'm just gonna push this aside so that I get some space for my corned beef. I'm just gonna add a little bit more oil in there. Alright, and here goes my corned beef. We'll kind of turn up the heat to medium at this point. And now I'm gonna add my black pepper in the corned beef and on the cabbage. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of ketchup, not too much. And now I'm gonna mix this up. Make sure that when you guys making this, you add Jamaican hot pepper to it, because it will be so good with the hot pepper. And there we go, our cabbage and corned beef. There we go, cabbage and corned beef is ready. Now we're gonna move over to our fried dumplings. I'm gonna go ahead right now and make the fried dumplings. I have the pot already here preheated, and I'm gonna throw all the oil in so that we can get our fried dumpling nice and golden brown. This is the dough, look at it. Nice, it's springing right back up so slowly. That's exactly how I want my dough to be. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust just a little touch of flour to the side of the pan. And for the fried dumplings, you want to do that on medium heat. And I'm gonna use just a little ball size amount to make each dumpling. And you want to get it round, and you want to do them fast like that. That's perfect for one. And you want to go fast, so I have the stove on 3. That's perfect heat for them. And you want to go fast, drop in your dumplings so everything can fry around the same time. The reason why you want your fried dumplings on low to medium heat is because you don't want the outer part of your dumpling to cook and the inner and the inside is not cooked. So you need to put them on low to medium heat as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the first set because they're just about finishing up. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to bite in these. They look so good. They look so good. And with fried dumplings, you have to be very patient. Don't rush it. Take your time and you'll get it the exact way that it's supposed to be. There you go, guys. Cabbage and corned beef and fried dumpling is ready. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to Mal's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.